Kardom, ili runing tikathar, tini ada pabirta, ang tonten arju ponta.
HD Kumar Swamy, Union Minister, Heavy Industries and Steel Bukajan, CCI Cement Factory along Hot Air Duct, Kangpulapen Kahumripon. Chitini Phaingkorai CR ni ada porphai kep apor malom Bukajan Subdivision angkang along Kedo Cement Corporation of India CCI Cement Factory Bukajan along Hot Air Duct Kangpulapen 1 MW Solar Plant along A Sompon. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang ahin pentame Cement Corporation of India CCI Cement Plant Bukajan atumaphan akimi notification piponlo limestone royalty ador pabat pon nang populo bonta non ansitame abanador royalty si nang pibomlang pusi pachinipon lasi 60% Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council aphan royalty ador sitame pachunpon nang polapen 100% Karbi Anglong arisoejang atumaphan si unskilled aboreng tame CCI along ponangji anparta CSR fund pen nangkele atangka meaning ke claim pon ajo kana hogdun arong unskill development anathu long pon nangji lapen anparta Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen CCI angbong lamdon kachetok aputhak sitame chingbai pon Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen pinpura lo sitame pajerdun pinpura lo along ke jongdun ke quartzite lapen granite processing industries lapen Karbi Anglong kedo kereng I avar saitame pedo popusi pinpur alo along jongdun lo Union Minister HD Kumar Swamy nangka humri kitang amay long Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang ALA Deputy Speaker Dr. Numol Momin MP Omar Singh Tiso MLA Dor Singh Ronghang MLA EM MSC Sanporta District Commissioner Nirola Phangchopi PS Secretary Atum Chetong Dun Si Mesen Penmai Pachunpon Bukajan Ben Sarkurubi Karbi Anglong News.
Because already we had several meetings, review meetings in Delhi. Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji in 2015 he continued the footstep taken by Deve Gowda ji when he was Prime Minister. Then after Vajpayee ji, Deve Gowda ji when first come to Northeastern state when he was Prime Minister, 6 days he stayed here. At that time, several decision was taken by the then Prime Minister Deve Gowda ji. That time, then what happened actually? Vajpayee ji continued the decision taken by a visit of Deve Gowda at that time. At that time, what they have taken the decision, every month from central government, 3 secretary level officers, they must visit the northeastern region and look after the development of the northeastern region. What are all the lacunas are there? For that, the remedy, what is the remedy? All those things to get the information, central government decided in 1996 to send central government's secretary level officers. That continued. Then after Narendra Modi ji came to power, he deputed the central ministers to visit every month one minister to the northeastern region and mix with the common man, mix with several organizations, collect all information, even addressing the officers meeting, what are all the issues are there, collecting those issues, we have to convey to the Prime Minister's office. This is the culture continuing from last 10-15 years. On that basis only, first I fixed the time in July month. But what happened actually, because of rain, I deferred my program. Today, from yesterday, I am traveling northeastern region. Yesterday, I visited Nagaland. There, I met our Dinapur, actually, our Chief Minister also, I met him. Yesterday, we discussed several issues. He also advised me about the development which he has given the representative to the central government. All those things, he shared his opinion with me yesterday's meeting. Today, I visited this our CCI plant and take all information. Then here the local authority which was formulated in 1974. That committee executives also they came and met with me, and they have given one representation about three subjects. Then particularly our deputy speaker from early morning, he is joining with me. He is giving all information to get the problem issues. He is actually feeding feedback, giving the feedback from morning. He shared several issues. Even Kendriya Vidyalaya issue also, our Honorable Deputy Speaker discussed with me. Even I visited the local hospital. There also request is there for one ambulance with ventilator adoption. All those things they have given the representation. I am getting all information tomorrow also. I am visiting Arunachal Pradesh. Then day after tomorrow Guwahati I am visiting. After getting all information, whatever the issues which has the feedback taken by this local officers and ministers, MLAs, I will convey the message to the central government, not only the central government, but ministers, concerned ministers. I will try to get some relief for the development of this area. The condition is bad, brother. I know. That's why actually because this unit was established in 1971. Our former President of India, then Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad was the foundation. 1974 it has started, but from 1974 we have not modified the unit. No upgradation. All those things I have seen today. No, that is actually I am not concerned about 2010 issue. We are actually I am taking the charge of heavy industries. This CCA also comes under my department. We had several meetings in Delhi. How to expand it, modify the unit. All those things we are already working out. The fresh unity we require. If infusing huge money. For that, how to organize the money, then how to re-establishment of the modified unit here. All those things we are working out. These are preliminary stage. Give me another mostly 3-4 months time, you will get good news. Northeastern region, several huge natural resources are there. We are not properly utilizing. I also know that. If we properly bring all kind of infrastructure with the cooperation of the local organizations, common man, we can develop in a big way. There is a good possibilities in northeastern region.
Waisong College along season 2024-25 aparman Akimi Students Union Body atum aphan semeke deng ajame ke pamanpon. West Karbi Anglong Hamren Rong Sopi along ke do Waisong College along ke dam tang chitini phai ingkoi arni Waisong College Students atum season 2024-25 aparman bangphu kangwai pidu ponsi pregjam anghoi along kado kabe bang serke patum kilik chepahai pondu. Son CVP Anghoi Along, Onsing Teron General Secretary Anghoi Along, Barning Timung, AGS Joseph Timung, Cultural Secretary, Bidor Singh Rongpi, Game and Sport Inok Rongpi, Magazine Secretary, Rupon Singh Tiso, Boys Common Room Anghoi Along, Glinson Timung, Girls Common Room Anghoi Along, Mirdan Timung Pilapen Social Service Along, Monthi Milik Atum Chepahai Ponsi, Puthot Semeke Deng Ajay Mek Pimanpon. Bangso along mesen pen kichari pon thekji aphan anparta kenang sot students satum akisung ahut lapen college along akenang sot along an students lapen teachers ang bong kacherap thekji aphan RD dojot pen semeke deng ajamek pachun ponlu sonsi college along classroom tami kadurit hipik anparta kijun alang abar sai kawe pen chenglok pregjam akisung aputhak lamthi chepaklang pon sonsi sarkar pen kirap kelong je aphan tami alang litum ahin pen chuning ripon
patumi election do pen ladak kedo anabang kanilitum dak elected union side lo nilitum aprangsi ki pukang tung nilitum hoila union students ahin pen ki pukang tung bangke ladak kaching thur nangji mate ladak government pen nangki pipe nangke lang creation do ulang toilet pen chenglok ladak building tatang te lang la pen te ki ong dung ladak water facility talan meme la si la so puthak ni le tum pini ot taking ceremony long kamat hapon ma de ke deng pon kang kaning je pon kang tung bang ke wang jilang pini penil tum ot taking deng det pen na pen asai gang deng ke se klem pon je bangala pulo aprang si ni le tum sarkar aphan kachuningri la pen memorandum ki pipen chenglok pen na pen amasi ni le tum cheng pon phit po la pen telin tum ladak kaduk ave isi nilitum as a union kali as a students nilitum a demand la pohen lo kewang jilang arni ko an maladak nangke lang thek la an si nilitum student hoi penta nilitum ningarong ponji la benada kaching thuramo la an so se nang lang pon pikna lang pusi athe ladak in West Karbi Anglong headquarter hamrena longke college puge lage humbelang la I humbe da college anta non pu so college ka established 1994 pininga 2024 an loning kan thongkep leng atala dak nile tum ka theklong ateng pote ka ching thuramo bang jum hoyason si thekpon
Chinthong lem satum pen pator piponsi Karlitang Sarsing Bongrung LP School asai hem along AGM mate annual general meeting 2024-25 aparman mai kangipon Nijang Karbi Anglong lakha ke thom Chinthong constituency ke parlo Karlitang Sarsing Bongrung LP School asai hem along Chinthong lem satum pen AGM mate annual general meeting ke pamhan pon labang somai long Chinthong lems meipu longsing kro la pen kongchon bang dorsing hanse atum pen si mai chapa hem phu pon si mai chari pon lo pini bang somai long alohi sarpo aman pen ARCS Diren Kro Chinthong ex VDC chairman Khorsing Senar CM Teron atum pen chetong dun si kadokabe bang thongkep so se shareholder atum chetong dun si mai along RD chipidun lapenon Chinthong lems along 2023-24 ningkan angbong sarkar ahin pen sangkelong aphai lake AAY 1,95,580 quintal lapen PHS asangaba 1,41,665 quintal an sang longpon Kadokabe pangrum pet pen 3,37,245 quintal an sang longpon lopusi pachini pon Amri pen hemari bongrung Karbi Anglong News Dwarbagori Press Club atumpen second executive meeting lapen get together ke padupon kedamtang ningkan surihini rai inkorai si aningkan Dwarbagori Press Club amahang nang thek det pen pining ningkan surihini rai inkoi rapli aningkan nang choksi pleng det pen pining ningkan abangke ingdeng hini executive meeting lapen get together ke padupon Lason si Dwarbagori Press Club atumpen second executive meeting lapen get together ke padupon along mai chepahem phupon Dwarbagori Press Club me phu bida sing ingleng pensi mai charipon lo labang solong meeting ke padupon alam the kongchon bang Rajesh Teron pensi thanpon Kaching waipon alam thela ke press atum koson pensi ke claim ke dam nangjima lapen Dwarbagori along border issue aputha koson pensi charai kom dun thekjima bangso puthak chingki chingwaipon Lapenon nangkeleji Dwarbagori ZKYF along sidami fishing competition pedoponji puta chethanpon bangso along kachetong dun Dwarbagori Press Club mamephu Vidya Singh Ingleng lapen Rajesh Teron Rangsina Be Joy Singh Teron Amos Ingti Robinson Kiling atum pen chenglok penang anke the kiding atum chetong dun Kajironga pen Risan Ingti Karbi Anglong News
PD nang latum ladak executive meeting ke padupon labangso puthak nang latum ahin pen thanik tha ke hai
aprangse nilehin pen la media akorte do andam afan same kadam pajer no kadam pini nitum ladak Dwarbagori Press Club pen la pineng ningkan suri ni ra inkar apli aningkan nilitum la executive meeting ba nitum padupon no labangso ke pado la non nitum ingdeng na 2004 aningkan bang ke nitum kadure son do kong ma nitum nona bang ke ingdeng hinian si dola si nitum kaching wai pon nang ko ke la hello nitum dak Dwarbagori ang kang stame Halloween adim sinitum same kedu ati arong same de kawara baguri ha de yuri lason sinitum Halloween ason sinitum kedu la sinitum bang pini abang ke nitum dak Dwarbagori Press Club pen nitum bang ke isi chingrum pet pen nitum chingki chethana ja mek bang padupon no bang so ke padupon along nitum non da kaching wai pon ke la hello nitum da leadership training asono nitum da press koson si ke claim ke dam nangji na aso puthak nitum da duar bogir press club ni tum chingki chithan pon lo so pe ni tum putho chidan chithan pon thu la ke dak press tum koson si ki claim gedam poma la so press ala ethics alam the bang ni tum chithan pon thu lo la pen do thula ni tum la border issue alam the aputhak ni tum chithan pon lo athe da dak duar bogri long ke lapu golhat district nogong district lason si nili tum along ahoy ason sinang dolong la sinil tum bang la so puthak bang koson si nili tum duar bogri press club pen ka che rai kom chima la so puthak ni tum chithan pon lo la pen same do thulang non nangkele ji la engdeng thongke pra hini la junior Karbi youth festival along nili tum duar bogri press club pen same isi da competition long mate fishing competition na bang ni tum bipon po pusini tum da chingki chingwai pon lo la si nil tum duar bogri press club pen la non meeting ge do long alam the aputhak bang ke ni tum la ansi ton ton ko